Jing pendengar naga Health and Family Welfare Department diberi buat COVID-19. Kumbalong mentangsi kemat Patrick August Arhaja Arpo Haduh Shibaji Dinsking. Kikis kibat thamai kibang iyo Haduh menta nado melin kilong khanyo. Nagini khanyo khar kedai na po East Khasi Hills, R kedai na North Garo Hills, Lai kedai na West Garo Hills. Ki active case ki bangidan hadu manta kelum lang barahot kilong sanspa khandai kusau. Patna kini sanspa khandai kusau, sanspa sanpulai kedai na po East Khasi Hills. Nakini South pa Sankulai, naki BSF kidon Shispa Saukuar, naki we Aspa Safusan, but naki Armed Forces Nreu. West Khasi Hills Nreu, Ribhoi Nreusan, West Jante Hills Khatsan, East Jante Hills Khatpra, West Garo Hills Lifeway, Southwest Garo Hills R, South Garo Hills R, North Garo Hills R. Kita recover mentah kesini kilong khat R. Pada kini khat R na East Khasi Hills kilong South iway na po BSF patlay na kiwe Ribhoi Nyo West Jante Hills iway ibaklat na menin ilong iway but Haduh mentangsi kibala recover gelum lang baro kilong South pa Arpulai but khlat Haduh mentang kilong Nongtrei. Example kibangi pha test Haduh mentang kasi arbaji kilong South haja news pa kibalong negative na gini kilong life kandai haja aspa kandai kusau. But ki test ki bangindang up ya ki reports kumba laispa rapulai ki beriu ki barung cepo kajala ka jungi Haduh mene arba jem ski kilong arpun reu hajar aspa rapun reu to kini kan Ngut ngilong mene na East Khasi Hills kidon khat Sun kita jual na kidong ki repair Nyu kita napo ki hospital repair buat kamtame napo RPHS hospital na West Garo Hills Lai kita BSF na North Garo Hills iway kita health worker iberang su nitang sudah tungkam i na mata COVID but iway badai di returning po Assam.
Can you see that
in English? In English, yeah. Out of these new cases, 17 new cases, East Khasi Hills 12, 5 are others from different areas, localities in and around Shillong. 7 are health workers from RPHS hospital. West Garo Hills 3 all BSF. North Garo Hills 2, 1 is a returnee from Assam and 1 is a health worker who was newly recruited. These new cases, an immediate contact tracing was done for them, and these 5 from various areas, they have come in contact with one of the positive case, and that is why they have been tested, and that's how they contract the virus. 7 others from RPHS hospital, since they are working in the hospital, that inquiry is going on, not exactly inquiry, they are doing the contact tracing as how these health workers working there in the COVID section have tested positive. Kini kisana we can do in a positive, kini in a way no tribal, turning one to no tribal. Many positive patients staying admitted in RPHS hospital, they were looking after them. We will find out how is it that 12 of the staff have become positive. We'll find that out. Not 12, 7 of them.
What is the total numbers now of COVID-19 patients in RPHS?
7.
7.
And then we have got another 3 who are there about to recover, so 10 altogether.